Today we discuss recognition of solid, that is 3D shapes. This is also known for the examination. We have just to go through 3D shapes: cube, cuboid, cylinder and cone. That is what is 3D shapes, what is solid shapes. That is solid shapes occupy space, that is that type of figures are known as solids. First of all, we have to 3D shapes as three-dimensional. So that is explanation of 3D, three-dimensional. What is three-dimensional? So before that, we have to discuss what is 2D and what is 1D. For starting from 1D, one-dimensional, that is straight line, or one-dimensional, that means it has only length. So it is one-dimensional figures. Now what is two-dimensional figures? Rectangle, square, parallelogram, that all are two-dimensional. It has length and breadth. It is two-dimensional are there, so they are known as two-dimensional figures. Now what is three-dimensional? Solid has three dimensions: length, breadth and height. So they are, for this reason, they are three-dimensional figures. Look at here: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone. It all has length, breadth and height. Then I have to discuss each one of the first cuboid. Cuboid is a solid and hollow body which is six rectangles are there. It has six rectangles, and I will show you one shape over here. Look at here, this is one of the cuboidal shape. It has six rectangle faces and 8 edges. Look at here, here is 4 and here is 4, 8 edges. So not 8 corners and 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These 12 edges are also there. Now we can move to cube. Cube is also a three-dimensional figure. It also has 6 faces, but all the 6 faces are square faces. All are equal, and it also has 8 vertex and 12 sides. It is 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. 8 corners are known as 8 vertex. Okay, that is the shape of a cube. Now we have cylinder. Look at here, this is a cylinder. It has 3 faces, one circular faces, one second one is in the bottom, and this is a curved face. So it has 3 faces and 2 edges. One is this and one is, it has no corners. Okay, that is 2 edges, 3 faces. Now moving to cone. What is cone? Look at here, another cone is here. Cone has only one vertex on the top. It is a circular face. It has 2 circular face, and it is its edges. Okay, one edge is there. There's 1 vertex, 1 edge and 2 surfaces. Here look at this table. Here is given the cube, cuboid, cylinder and cone sides and vertex, edge and sides of prepared in a table. You can go through it. How can we find out these sides and the relation between vertex, edge and face of these given three-dimensional figures? That is known as Euler's formula. Euler is a mathematician. The formula deals with the shapes called polyhedra. Okay, B represents vertices, E represents edge, and F represents face. The relation between these are vertex plus its face minus edge gives 2. This is the known as Euler's formula. Using this formula, if any one of the term is unknown, you can easily find out. Okay, for the cube, vertex is 8, edges is 12, face is 6. So when we go give this numbers in this formula, you will get the same. This is a constant for every three-dimensional 3D shapes. Okay, so that means if any one of these edge or vertex or face is unknown, we can find that using this formula. Next we will discuss how can we prepare this three-dimensional shapes. Using the nets of three-dimensional shapes, we can prepare these shapes. Look at here, these are nets of cube. The different nets are given. Any one of this you can, using this you can prepare a cube. I have prepared one. Look at here, I have chosen this first form, and I have prepared a net. When we prepared it, take same dimension for each square. And I have taken 4 cm. Using this, I have prepared this. You can prepare using a chart paper. When we join this net, we will get a cube. Okay, this is the how we can prepare a cube. So this is the net. Because there are 4 nets are given. Using any one of this, you can easily prepare a cube. Look at here, using the same pattern we can prepare. Measurement, you can take your own measurement. You can easily prepare the 3D shapes or solid shape. This is net of cube, and I will show another one net of cuboid. This is another net of cuboid. When we join this, look at here, we can prepare a cube. You see, this is the shape of a cube. You can also prepare it. There are 3 nets are given in the textbook itself. Using that you can prepare it. And cylinder. There is a nets of cylinder. Many times I have used that, but when we join this, we can fix it over here. To show you, I didn't fix it. One circle in the top, one circle in bottom, it become a cylinder. That's why I have I have shown a cylinder. I have prepared that one. This is the net of it. Okay, by doing this, next one I will show you is a cone. This is a net of cone. You can prepare the net of cone using the this form. You can prepare it. This is a net of cone. Okay, you can also prepare that. Next we are using mapping space around us. We have all go through the map of India or Kerala, old map as you have seen. In that map there is corresponding land. It is not drawn in actual measurement. There is a scale will be there. That using that scale, in the base of that scale we are preparing the map. That means if 1 centimeter, the scale is representing 1 centimeter equal to 10 kilometer, we can easily find out the distance between 2 places, isn't it? So distance between 2 places is 1 centimeter. When we have to multiply over 5 centimeter, you can multiply that 5 into 10 kilometer, because 1 centimeter is 10 kilometer is given as a scale in that map. Using that you can easily prepare find the actual length distance between 2 places. That's all only from this section. You will study. It's only for your information. There's no need to go through this exercise. You have to you have to prepare the nets of these shapes. Try to do it. Thank you.